everyone, welcome to POE channel. This is Carol. I'm so excited here. Every day we have received many questions from our customers. Things like manufacturing cost, quality control, payment terms, and how to work with POE, etc. Today I'm here to help customers to figure out how to order PCB assembly at POE. So how to place a PCB assembly order at POE? Just 4 steps. Design file and quality demands are needed, so our team can work on quotation for PCBA board you need. Design file refers to Gerber and BOM. We can accept different formats such as BOM is needed when you require us to provide SMT assembly service and component sourcing. Before sending us design file, POE can sign NDA with you for protection of intellectual property. POE team will analyze file and offer quotation within 1 day. After that, they start reach agreement on price, payment terms, lead times, and POE sales representative will send performer invoice and contract to start our nice cooperation trip. The third step is about manufacturing. It includes data review, QC process, image conform. Data review, our engineer team will check the Gerber file and send the customer's EQ if we find design ruler issues. Purchasing team will check the BOM list and start to buy component. QC process, it has online AOI, FAI, offline AOI, and X-ray visual inspection. Image conform. When the first PCB assembled, our sales representative will send you a picture to check. Quality is always a key part POE pay much attention. Packing and shipping. When our PCB assembly finished, we will start packing and shipping. You can say here, this is how POE to prepare our customers' package and ready to shipping then. Also, we have many logistic solutions to meet customers' various demands, such as DHL, FedEx, UPS, EMS, also like by air or sea. Okay, these are all about how to place a PCB assembly order at POE. Hope this is useful to you. If you want to know more about our company, welcome to subscribe and leave your message here. See you next time. Bye!